Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a workbench with various styles of toolboxes that are scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's begin with a small toolbox with a 1x4 plate with 2 studs. I'm going to place another 1x4 plate with 2 studs right on top of the previous. Then a set of 1x2 jumper plates. Why? Because we're going to place a telephone receiver for a handle. Makes a great carrying handle for the small tool chest, or if you just need to make a call. For a stool, start with a 2x2 round plate. On one side, I'm going to place a 1x2 plate, and on the remaining side, a set of 1x1/4 round flat tiles. Now we're going to need to flip this over, and I'm going to take one of these handles with studs. I think that's their official name. We're going to populate these in the corners, and they may want to pop out if you don't put them in right. And these are going to make nice legs for the stool. It's better than using the stud method, which I have been known to use on my stools. And I did kind of clone this idea from one of those Harry Potter sets. They used it for one of their chairs. I thought, why not? It makes a great stool. For the tool workbench, start with a 2x6 plate. I'm going to place a pair of 1x4 plates on the front portion where they're hanging over by one stud. Then a pair of 1x4 plates with 2 studs. The reason why I'm using these is because it has this nice groove. And right in the back center, a 1x6 brick. Now we're going to place 4 1x2 plates with slide. This is going to look like we have a little handle to open up the little drawers. And then I'm going to start on the left with a 1x2x2 corner plate, and then I'm going to proceed on with a 2x4 plate and a 1x2x2 corner plate to secure up all those joints. Then in the back, a 1x6 plate followed by 4 more 1x2 plates with slide. Place those right in there. Now we're going to flip this over and around. Take a 2x2 round plate. I'm going to take a 1x2 plate with slide, place it on one side. I'm going to make 2 of these. I'm going to place these right here where the slide is facing outwards. And we're going to flip this thing right side up. And in these back corners, set of 1x1 by 1 2/3 brick with 2 studs. Then I want to face these off with a set of 2x2 flat tiles to finish up the tool chest. Now for the work counter, I'm going to start here with a 1x4 flat tile, and I'm going to proceed on with a 1x6 flat tile. This is going to be our work area. Proceed on with another 1x4 and 1x6 flat tiles to finish up the top of the workbench. For our stacked tool chest, start with a 2x2 plate. I'm going to slip in 2 2x2 round plates on the bottom, and then on these 2 voids I'm going to place a set of 1x2 plates with slide. Then I'm going to lock these joints together with a 1x4 plate, and we're going to place a 1x4 plate with 2 studs right on the top. This is going to give us that matching groove we did with the workbench. Then in the back center, a 1x2 brick, and on these studs right here, a pair of 1x2 plates with slide for a little handle. Then I'm going to lock this together with a pair of 1x2x2 corner plates, and I'm going to proceed on with a 1x2 plate in the back center and a 1x4 plate with 2 studs right here in the front. Let's rotate this around. I'm going to drop in a pair of 1x1 by 1 2/3 brick with 2 vertical studs. Place those right there. Then we're going to rotate it back, and I'm going to lock this together with a 1x4 plate and a set of 1x2 plates with slide. Then for the top, I'm going to place a 1x2 plate right in the top center, followed by a pair of 1x1 flat tiles and a 1x4 flat tile right here in the front, right above these drawers. And for the sides, a set of 2x3 flat tiles. For a smaller tool chest that fits on top of the larger one, I'm going to take a 1x2 brick and a 1x2 plate. We're going to place these on top of one another. Then I'm going to take a 1x2 by 2x2 upwards angular plate. I'm going to place a 2x2 flat tile on the stud portion on the side. Then I'm going to make 2 of these and set these right on the bottom of our 1x2 brick assembly. For little drawers, start with a 1x2 plate. I'm going to take a 1x2 plate with slide. We'll place it right on top, followed by a 1x2 plate and a 1x2 plate with slide. And we're just going to drop this assembly right in this opening. Then I want to proceed on with a pair of 1x3 jumper plates, and to finish off the top, a 2x2 flat tile. Now we can just set our small toolbox right on top of our larger tool chest.